Hi kids! Today, we're going to learn about countries and cities that start with the letter T. Countries starting with T. 1. Thailand. Thailand is famous for its beautiful beaches, temples, and delicious food. 2. Turkey. Turkey is known for its rich history, amazing architecture, and the city of Istanbul. 3. Tunisia. Tunisia is a North African country with stunning deserts and ancient ruins. 4. Tanzania. Tanzania is home to Mount Kilimanjaro and amazing wildlife safaris. 5. Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan is known for its deserts, ancient cities, and unique culture. Cities starting with T. 1. Tokyo. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Famous for its neon lights, technology, and sushi. 2. Toronto. Toronto is a city in Canada, known for its CN Tower and multicultural vibe. 3. Taipei. Taipei is the capital of Taiwan, famous for its night markets and Taipei 101 skyscraper. 4. Tashkent. Tashkent is the capital of Uzbekistan, known for its beautiful mosques and history. 5. Tripoli. Tripoli is the capital of Libya, located along the Mediterranean Sea with historic sites. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Check the description for more videos.